Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your site name in Google Sites. Yeah, it's really simple and only takes a few clicks, so let's jump right in. First, open Google Sites and select the site you want to rename. Just click on it to get started. Once your site opens, look to the top left corner where your current site name is displayed. Click directly on the name or the settings icon nearby. Now simply type your new site name in the box that appears. Make it something clear and easy to recognize. After you've typed your new name, just click away or press enter. Google Sites saves it automatically, so no need to stress about a save button or anything. Oh, and if you want, you can also update the site's URL slug to match the new name, but that's totally optional. Just hover over the settings and you'll see the option. And that's it. Your Google site now has a fresh new name. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, go ahead and like the video, maybe subscribe for more tips. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one.